You know what? I'm thinking that's it. I'm thinking that's it right there. Look at that. Wow. My name is Joseph. Welcome to the Vegan Spice. 100% plant-based, 100% vegan. Smoothie bowl, and more smoothie bowls. Good for the gut, low FODMAP, awesome IBS, great for the hair, the skin, the complexion, everything underneath the sun, high antioxidants. The levels are just through the roof on this one I'm making today. Come inside, let me show you what I'm doing, guys. This is what I'm going to be using today. Let me give you a rundown of what I have. We have hemp seeds. These are inside the hemp heart. Look at that. Soft amino acid profile, great fiber. I'm giving this bad boy a thumbs up. I use that pretty much in all my smoothies and smoothie bowls. Peanut powder. Ground peanuts into a powder. That's it. You can even make peanut butter and jelly with that if you want, okay? We have coconut right here, shredded, only because of the good fats. Absolutely love that. Then we have bananas. We have mostly green here. Absolutely, and that's what I like to use, is mostly the green type, guys. Insoluble, adds bulk to the food you're making, adds bulk to the stool, and pushes everything out. I like mostly green, a little bit of yellow, not bad. Then we have some sliced up bananas right there, nice and thinly sliced, so they do not sink. You do not sink to the bottom when you make the smoothie bowl. Everything stays on top. We have some nice plump frozen blueberries. We have some fresh raspberries. We have some fresh strawberries. Of course, nicely cut up and nicely thin. That's the key to making a smoothie bowl, so everything does not fall to the bottom. And then we're going to go ahead and add some sliced strawberries to the base of this, okay? Let's do it. So I have a Ninja right here. You can use a regular blender. You can even use a food processor. I've used a food processor for like 5 years, guys. It'd be a little bit chunkier, but that's okay. You just want a nice consistency that's right for you. So I already added the bananas. I'm using a Ninja right here. This is all I pretty much need. Already added the bananas, okay? Go ahead and grab yourself some non-dairy milk, or you can use water. Remember, if you use water, it's going to be on the thinner side, okay? So I have some peanut powder, which I already told you I was going to be using, which I absolutely love right there, okay? Then I'm going to add some more strawberries because I want like a nice red base onto that, all right? We got a little bit of milk right there, not much. I want it nice and thick, guys. That's what I'm looking for, the consistency, okay? Be on there like that. It does not take long for this stuff to mix up. That is it, and I can already tell you right now, that is going to be nice and thick. Look at that consistency, guys. I'll take this top off and show you. Without spilling it, of course. That consistency is nice, right there. So we're going to go ahead and get you a close-up, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to be doing. You can use any type of bowl, but I'm going to be using this bad boy right here. It's about an 8x8, okay? Not too deep, not too thin, guys, all right? Let's do it. Okay, the colors of the rainbow. That's what I like to use, and that's what I like to do on a daily basis. The more variety of colors of the rainbows, the more antioxidants, the more everything, guys. Anti-inflammatory, antifungal, antimicrobial, and that is pretty much it. So, without further ado, we're going to go ahead. We're going to pour that on there. Look at that already. That's the consistency you want. That's what I'm shooting for right there. The creativity is all yours in this. You could do stripes of bananas. You could do stripes of strawberries. You could do some hemp seeds. You can even do nuts on this if you like. The imagination and creativity is up to you guys. So let's go ahead. I think I want to go ahead and do flanging out on the sides with the strawberries. Because that's what I like. And I think I'm going to put the bananas in the middle. As I drop it right in there. All right. There's no right way or wrong way to do this. I'm a visual guy. I like to be nice and neat about things, okay? If you just want to mix everything in there and eat it, by all means, go for it, all right? Look at that. This is probably the second best part of making a smoothie bowl, all right? Is pretty much, eating it would be the first, okay, obviously. So now I want to go ahead and do some bananas right down the middle. Striping these guys. Remember, bananas have insoluble fiber and soluble fiber, guys. Insoluble is going to add bulk to your stool. Look at that already. Beautiful. I think I'm going to go with some hemp hearts right there, down either side of these guys right there. I absolutely love these. I make my own hemp milk also. Just add some water, maybe some cinnamon, and some good maple syrup, and you're good to go. Put it in a blender and then strain it. That's it. Put these guys on the side over there. That is already looking absolutely scrumptious. Wow. Maybe over here, maybe over there. You know what I'm feeling? I'm feeling like frozen blueberries on the outer perimeters of these guys. That's what I'm feeling like. These guys are nice and plump. Nice and plump. Looking pretty juicy. So look at that. I maybe want a raspberry in the middle. And maybe another one over there. Another one over there. There's one guy hanging out down there. Put him over here on the side. Put him over there on the side. You know what? I'm thinking that's it. I'm thinking that's it right there. Look at that. Wow. I'm going to go ahead and give you a close-up without go ahead and dropping it and spilling it. Look at that. Phenomenal. Smell is out of this world. That's all it smell is fruit and bananas, guys. Okay? Wow. So we have the strawberries, we have the bananas, we have the blueberries, high antioxidant value. What are antioxidants? They kind of decrease the free radicals in your body. Free radicals, bam. If you're watching any of my videos, they kind of cause havoc on your system. All right? We don't want a lot of those in our body, guys, because that's how you get sick. Then we have the raspberries, high in fiber, beautiful. We have the coconut, we have the good fats here, we have the hemp seeds. This right there is looking yummy, all right? This is an incredible smoothie bowl. Thank you for watching. My name is Joseph, 100% vegan, 100% plant-based. Remember, be well, be safe, be yourself, and you got this. Any questions? Comment down below. Have a sweet day, guys.